Manufacturing and oil and gas industries power our world, but they are also among the biggest contributors to carbon emissions. The good news? With the right strategies, we can significantly reduce their carbon footprint. Step 1. Energy efficiency. Upgrading to smart technologies, high-efficiency motors, and automated systems can slash energy waste. Step 2. Renewable energy integration. Shifting from fossil fuels to solar, wind, and bioenergy not only cuts emissions but also lowers long-term costs. Step 3. Circular economy. Recycling materials, reusing resources, and capturing waste heat turn byproducts into opportunities. Step 4. Carbon capture and digital monitoring. Advanced systems track emissions in real time and capture carbon dioxide before it reaches the atmosphere. By combining efficiency, renewables, recycling, and innovation, manufacturing and oil and gas can transform from carbon-heavy to carbon-smart industries. The journey to a sustainable future starts now. Credits, script by, unavailable. Voiceover by, unavailable.